How to fix getting removed from the match due to your IP, VPN, machine, or cheating in Fortnite. So there's a couple of things that you could do. The first one is to deinstall the Epic Games launcher and then reinstall it again. How you're gonna do this is go to the Start menu and then click Apps and Features. Here, search for Epic and then uninstall the Epic Games launcher and then download it again. The other thing that you could do is go to the registry editor. And you should follow this path. Delete that. And here, click H key current user. Go to software, Epic Games, Unreal Engine. And here you should see identifiers. Right click on it and then click delete. What this will do is it will reset the machine ID and account ID. And there you go. Now if it still doesn't work, I recommend logging into another profile to see if your hardware, your physical computer, has been banned from Fortnite. If you have been hardware banned, there's unfortunately nothing you could do except play on a different computer on a different IP address. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.